Now today we will start some another problems of the chapter number 9 miscellaneous exercise chapter number 9. Now today I will start with question number that is 17. If ABCD are in GP, then prove that if ABCD are in GP, ABCD are the four numbers in GP, then prove that A power n plus B power n, comma B power n plus C power n, comma C power n plus D power n are also in GP. So if ABCD in GP, that means the first term is A and B is equal to the second term AR and C is equal to AR square and D the fourth term that is equal to AR cube. Now you know that if they are in GP, I already told you if ABC in GP, that implies B square is equal to AC or B upon A is equal to C upon B. So therefore by applying the relation, that is if they are to prove they are in GP, that means B power n plus C power n upon B power n must be equal to C power n plus D power n upon B power n plus C power n. The three numbers in GP, that is A, these are in GP, therefore the second upon first must be equal to third upon this. Now substituting the values of B, what is B? That is AR, this power n, and this can be written as A power n and R power n plus C, that is A power n and R power 2n and whole upon A power n, and what is B? That is AR can be written as A power n and R power n must be equal to, that is C, that is A power n R power 2n plus D, that is A power n R power 3n and whole upon B A power n and R power n and plus C, that is A power n and R power 2n. Now just substituting the values of A, B, C, B, that is AR, we substitute as AR power n can be written as A power n this. Now if the ratio comes same, ratio अगर same आता है दोनों में, then they are also in GP. So therefore how to prove this? That is an R power n taken outside common. Here is 1 R power n. Okay. In the denominator A power n common, that is 1 plus R power n. And in this side A power n and R power 2n taken outside, that is 1 plus R power n. And in the denominator, that is A power n R power n taken outside, 1 plus R power n. These terms are cancelled. Therefore, this can be written as A power n to A power n. यहाँ हमारे पास रह जाएगा R power n is equal to either an to an cancel and R power n, because this is R power 2n upon R power n. Therefore, the ratios are same. That implies A power n plus B power n, comma B power n plus C power n, comma C power n plus D power n are also in GP. So this is the solution of this problem number 17. Now after this I will start with the another question. The next question is the question number 18. I will start with question number 18. What is given in question number 18? If A, B are the roots of the equation, A, B are the roots of the equation is given as x square minus 3x plus b. Minus 3x plus b is equal to 0. The roots are A, B. And second is C and D are the roots of the equation x square minus 12x. The second equation is x square minus 12x. X square minus 12x plus q is equal to 0, having roots C and D. Okay. Where A, B, C, D form a GP, where A, B, C, D are in GP, then prove that you have to prove that q plus p ratio q plus p ratio q minus p is equal to 17:15. So this is the question where A, B, C, D are in GP. The roots of the equations, two equations are given. So what are the roots given? You see, A, B are the roots of the first equation and B, C are the roots of second equation, and A, B, C, D are given in GP. Then how to solve? To see, in first case, if A, B are the roots of the equation, then write the sum of the roots. That is the sum of the roots A plus B is equal to minus B upon A. And product of the root, that is given as AB, that is equal to P. The product of the roots, that is C upon A. Now write down the next, that is CD. C plus D, the sum of the roots is 12, and similarly the product of the root is Q. You see, finding the sum and product of the roots of the equation, you get the values as I have written. Now the problem is A, B, C, D, they are given in A, B, C, D are given in GP. So you have to prove the result. So A, B, C, D are given in GP. This is A, B, C, D in GP. That means from here the A is the first term, B is the second term, is equal to 3. That implies A can be written as 1 plus R is equal to 3. And from here C, the third term, that is AR square, the fourth term, that is AR cube, is equal to 12. Again taken AR square outside, that is 1 plus R is equal to 12. Now dividing these two terms, अगर मैं इनको divide करता हूँ तो therefore AR square and 1 plus R and divided by 8 into 1 plus R is equal to, here is 4. 8 way cancel. Now this cancel, therefore what is R? R square is equal to 4. That implies R comes out plus minus 2. R की जो वैल्यू है वो मेरे पास plus minus 2 आ जाती है. ओके, अब मुझे आना है इस पे, जो प्रोडक्ट इसका ए बी है, ये सी डी है. मैं प्रूव क्या करना है, दैट इज क्यू प्लस पी अपॉन क्यू माइनस पी इज इक्वल टू 17 अपॉन 15. दिस यू हैव टू प्रूव. तो व्हाट इज पी? पी की जो वैल्यू है और क्यू की वैल्यू आप सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें. सी डी एंड पी इज ए बी डिवाइडेड बाय सी डी एंड माइनस ऑफ ए बी. आपको प्रूव करना है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 17 अपॉन दिस. व्हाट इज सी? द सी इज द थर्ड टर्म ऑफ जीपी, दैट इज ए आर स्क्वायर, and D is the fourth term, that is AR cube. A is the first term, B is the second term, that is AR. Similarly in the denominator, that is AR square and AR cube, and plus of, sorry, this is minus of A and AR. Now on simplifying this, can be written as A square R power 5 and plus of A square and R. In the denominator, this written as A square R power 5 and minus of A square and R. From here, A square taken outside common and R also common. So therefore, this can be written as R4 plus 1. And in the denominator, A square common, R common, that is R power 4 minus 1. This to this cancel, be left with R4 plus 1 upon R power 4 minus 1. Now the problem is, what is R? R is plus minus 2. So this becomes 16 plus 1 upon 16 minus 1, that is equal to 17 upon 15. So this is the result you have to prove. Okay. See once again, this is the quadratic equation whose roots are A, B. And this is another quadratic equation whose roots are given as C and D. And you have to prove the result this. So therefore, from this quadratic, the roots are A, B, the sum of the roots and product of the roots. From here, the sum of the roots and product of the roots. Now, A, B, C, D are the four numbers given in GP. Therefore, if A, B, C, D in GP, then A is A and B is AR is equal to 3. From here, we get this. And similarly, C is AR square, D is AR cube is equal to this. Now, dividing these two terms, we get the value of R plus minus 2. Now, you have to prove this. Therefore, what is P? By substituting the value of P and Q from here, the product of the roots, मैंने वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी. अब इसमें भी सी डी ए बी क्या है, दे आर इन जीपी, उनकी वैल्यू पुट करिए, सॉल्व करके आपको मिल गया आर पावर 4 प्लस 1 अपॉन आर पावर 4 माइनस 1. व्हाट इज आर? आर जो है वो प्लस माइनस 2 है, तो आर 4 बन जाएगा 16 एंड प्लस 1 अपॉन 16 माइनस 1, By solving this, we get the ratio that is 17:15. Okay. Now, after this, I will start with another problem, that is question number 19. This is again very important question. The question number 19. He said the ratio of arithmetic mean and geometric mean of the two positive number. The ratio of arithmetic mean and geometric mean of the two numbers a and b is m:n. ये m:n के बराबर है, तो बोलता है then show that answer is show that a ratio b is equal to, the result is a ratio b is equal to m plus under root of m square plus n square, and ratio that is m minus under root of m square minus n square. Okay, you see that is the first is a ratio b m plus under root of m square minus n square, and ratio m minus under root of m square minus n square. This you have to prove. How? See, the arithmetic mean between the two numbers a and b is a plus b by 2, and geometric mean is under root of ab, and this ratio is given as m upon n. Now this can be written as a plus b by 2 root of ab and is equal to m upon n. Now applying to find the ratio. Now applying componendo and dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. What is componendo dividendo? It means in the numerator you have to add the denominator, and similarly from numerator you have to subtract this denominator. You see here that is m plus n upon m minus n. Okay. Now student, this can be written as, this becomes a root a plus root b upon root a minus root b whole square is equal to m plus n upon m minus n. Then from here root a plus root b upon root a minus root b becomes m plus n under root upon m minus n under root, taking the square root. Now again applying C and D, componendo and dividendo. By applying componendo and dividendo, you see that is root a plus this इसको ऐड करेंगे तो b भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 रूट आ जाएगा. Similarly from this you have to subtract this, a to a cancel, तो यहाँ बन जाएगा 2 root b is equal to, you see how to apply this numerator, add this denominator, and from the numerator you have to subtract this denominator. Okay, now this 2 to 2 cancel. You have to find out a and b when squaring both sides. By squaring, तो this becomes whole square of this. Squaring करेंगे तो squaring के बाद ये बन जाएगा, this becomes a upon b, यहाँ बन जाएगा m plus n a square plus b square n plus of 2ab a into b, that is m square minus n square. Similarly in the denominator m plus n minus m plus n, and means a square plus of b square, that is m minus n, and minus of twice of ab, that is twice of ab, that is m square minus of n square. Now here this n to n cancel, here n to n cancel, therefore a ratio b becomes 2m plus of 2 times of m square minus n square, and similarly upon 2m minus of 2 times of m square minus n square. Okay, now you see what is the result, a ratio b, that is m plus, so we need not this 2, by taking 2 this outside common and 2 to cancel, and we get a is m plus under root of m square minus n square and upon m minus under root of m square minus n square. See once again, arithmetic mean and geometric mean ratio is given as m upon n. You know the arithmetic mean between the two numbers, a plus b by 2. Geometric mean is root of ab. Now this can be written as by applying component to and dividend to. That is, component to means adding the denominator in the numerator and subtracting the denominator from the numerator. और ये बन गया a रूट a प्लस रूट b होल स्क्वायर और नीचे माइनस वाला इज इक्वल टू दिस टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट लेने के बाद फिर अप्लाई कर देंगे. इसको ऐड करूंगा तो यहाँ b कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 2 आएगा, नीचे a कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो 2 भी रहेगा, 2 कैंसिल. नाउ स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, स्क्वायरिंग करने के बाद आपको ये रेशो मिल जाती है. द गिवन रिक्वायर्ड रेशो दैट इज a रेशो b इज इक्वल टू m प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ m स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर एंड upon this. Now after this question number 19, I will start with question number 20. What is given in question number 20? If a b c are in ap, a b c in ap, you see the question, read out it properly. And b c d in gp, b c d are the terms in gp, these are given. And 1 by c, 1 by d, 1 by e, 1 by c, 1 by d, 1 by e are in AP. ये भी AP में है. And prove that ACE are in GP. अब आपको ये प्रूव करना है क्या ये GP में है. तो this is the question. Again you read it properly, then try to solve it. ACE are in GP. Okay. Now how to find the solution of this? First of all, you read out the conditions properly, then try to solve it. So see how the first stanza is ABC in AP. That means twice of B is equal to A plus C. Therefore B can be written as A plus C by 2. BCD in GP, that means C square is equal to BD under root. C square is equal to BD or C is equal to under root BD. They are in AP, that means twice of this is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by E. Twice of this. And you have to prove that C square is equal to AE. Again, read out the question properly and try to solve it. What is the meaning of this? Okay. Now from here you can find out B, you know, C, you know, find out D. So therefore D जो मिलेगा that is twice upon D is equal to E plus C upon CE. Therefore this D can be written as twice of CE divided by E plus C. So this is the value of D. This is the value of B and this is the value of C. Now you have to prove C square is equal to AE. So therefore by applying this C square is equal to AE प्रूव करना है तो मैं यहाँ से पता करूंगा what is B. B की वैल्यू पुट कर दो. Therefore A plus C by 2 and into D that is 2CE upon E plus C. Okay. Now this 2 cancel. This is C square और इसको मैं क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा इज इक्वल टू CE and A plus C. Now here this C 1C to 1C cancel. ये मैंने एक C हटा दिया तो बना CE plus C square is equal to AE plus CE. Now this CE to CE cancel. What is C square? Therefore this is AE. That implies ACER in GP. So this you have to prove that. So this is the question number 20. Okay, I think it is clear how to solve this problem. It's okay.